Anthropic just launched a new desktop app for Claude, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. You can run multiple sessions now in the Claude Code desktop app. I'm Mario, this is AI Alpha by Mario. Let's get into it. Today we're going to discuss all the new updates for the Claude desktop app. Let's look at it. So here we have the app. We can see it changed a little bit. We used to have here the tabs at the top here. Now they moved somewhere around here. Here we can see, here we have the charts, here we have the cowork sessions, and here we have the Claude Code. And it has actually some cool new features. Let's check them out. So let's do something with Claude Code. Let's make a website for AI beginners. Okay, explain. Actually, let's use Whisperflow. I like Whisperflow so much. I just have to speak and it basically types everything inside here. Explain to them what are the most important tools, how to use them, how to make proper prompts, and how to get the best results using AI, how they can save time and money using AI. Make sure it has proper front end design and it's very polished. Act as an enterprise developer and web designer. Okay, here we have the prompt. Now let's let Claude Code cook. Trust the workspace, and you can see here we created already a new session here in Claude Code and it's already running there. Now let's see what else we have. We have here also, we can open the terminal at the same time. As you can see, we have here the terminal on the right side. Here we can type in different stuff in the terminal and do some more things. Then we have here tasks. You can schedule different tasks here in Claude Code, and Claude Code will run and do them automatically. This is also a huge update for everyone who's using Claude Code. I used to use Claude Code in Visual Studio. This might change now. I might switch to the Claude Code app. I will try it over the next couple of days and see how it fits my tasks and my daily routines, and if it's better I will switch to this one. I will definitely let you know in the AI University community. There I'm gonna share my updates the fastest, so make sure you are joining. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Now we can see Claude Code is already building here. Now let's check out the other stuff here. Here we have also, we can create a plan here also, and we have a preview. That's where you can see our website in a couple seconds or minutes. Let's see how long it will take. And then we have here also the diff, and let's get into it now. We can see Claude is basically cooking right now. In the meantime, we can switch between projects. You can see here it's still continuing, so we can switch between projects. And I want to show you also quick how to do the / body. Let's see if it works. It didn't work in the Claude app before. Let's see if it's working now. Okay, it's still not in the Claude app. So for that, you probably still have to use CLI or a terminal. Let's see. Right now, let's see, it's cooking right here. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. I'll make a more extensive video about this one. I saw many people want to know about it, and I will make another video about it. I already have it in my Visual Code. I will make a video about that as well very soon. You can see here it's still building the website. For now, let's also take a look here at the Cowork. And guys, I love Cowork. It literally saves me so much time. You can give it here task. You can tell it go browse the web. You can also tell it go and do this here. I basically was fixing one of my apps that I'm building. You can see it here. I told it go and fix an issue which I couldn't fix. It went, it did everything in the browser, it checked the GitHub, it checked the render, and it fixed it. Very easy. You don't have to do anything. It's basically doing your work. You just have to prompt it properly and it's working amazingly. I also was creating some videos and ads with this. Also super amazing features, guys. You can just basically give commands to Claude Code or Claude Cowork in this case, and it's literally getting work done for you. This is amazing. The chat version, you already know it. We talked about it already a couple times. Very easy to know. Here we can see, okay, Claude Code is cooking already. It has the headline, everything else is here, and now let's look at the website. We have the website already here. Unlock the power of artificial intelligence. A complete beginner's guide to the most powerful AI tools, how to use them effectively, and how to reclaim hours every week without a technical background. Very, very, very easy. So easy. You can see website looks actually properly. Very, very good. I'm quite happy with the outcome. Just look at this. It gives you different tools: Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Notion AI. This is actually a proper website. I might make it live actually. And you see, it took just 3 minutes. Using Claude Code, you can also create different apps, full stack, and many other tools with Claude Code. That's why I love this tool so much. It's so amazing. It can literally bring your ideas to life. Very simple and very, very easy. This website actually looks very, very good. Look at this. It's talking about the prompts. It's talking about the prompt formula. Wow, this is really super amazing. Get 10x better results. And you see, it takes just a couple of seconds to do it. You don't need anything to start. You can start basically on the free plan using actually Claude on the free plan. For Claude Code, I think you need the $20 plan, but you can also start using just Claude, and then if you need more, you can upgrade to the bigger plan. Look at this. This is so amazing. This is literally the best time we are living in right now. We can create websites in seconds using AI. This is quite amazing. This was it for today's video. Let's check in again here on the body feature. Okay, it's not integrated yet on the app, but it works in Visual Code. I will make an extra video about the body feature very soon, so make sure you're subscribing to the channel, and see you all again next time. Bye bye.